What's up guys, ngayong araw muli nyo ako samahan na mag-react dito sa isang cover song ng bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ng Casting Crowns na isang contemporary Christian rock band. Ito yung Altar and the Door. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang bandang Mission Souls.
Careless, I am reckless. I'm a wrong way traveling slowly, unraveling shell of a man.
Ganda pakinggan nung strumming ni Nisha, no? Napakalinis.
Burnout, I'm so numb now that the fire's just an ember way down in the corner of my cold, cold heart.
Ang ganda nung areglo, nauna yung gitara, sabay pasok nung drums at ng bass guitar.
Lord, this time I'll make it right. Here at the altar I'll lay my life. Your kingdom come, but my will was done. My heart is broken as I cry. Like so
Ang swabe naman nun, nung harmony nila. Sarap pakinggan.
many times before, but my eyes are dry before I leave the floor. Oh Lord, I try.
Ang galing nun nung palo ni Ice na yun. Parang may pabitin siya, no? Ang galing.
But this time, Jesus, how can I be sure I will not lose my follow through between the altar and the door?
Ito rin ang isang maganda sa banda Mission Souls. Nagko-cover din sila ng mga gospel. Hindi lang yung mga typical na tugtugin.
Here at the altar, on my road so black and white, how can I ever falter?
Ang taas ng boses ni Ma'am Sheena. Ang tinis.
What you showed me to be right, Lord, this time I'll make it right. Here at the altar I'll lay my life. Your kingdom come, but my will was done. My heart
Ang lupit mag second voice ni Ma'am Sheena, no? Talagang nangingibabaw yung taas ng boses niya, yung taas ng timbre ng boses.
is broken as I cry, like so many times before, but my eyes are dry before I
Nakakapo pala yung gitara ni Stacy dito.
leave the floor. Oh Lord, I try, but this time, Jesus,
Si Naces, relax lang eh.
how can I be sure I will not lose my fall through between the altar and the door?
Ayun, maririnig mo na yung keyboard ni Naces.
I'm trying so hard to stop trying so hard.
Parang strings yung tunog ng keyboard ni Naces. Ang ganda rin ng bassline ni Daddy Second dito. Nakaka-indak.
Just let you be who you are, Lord, who you are in me. Jesus, I'm trying so hard to stop trying so hard. Just let you be who.
Ano bang tawag dun sa ginagawa ni Nisha? Power chords ba yun, guys? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa mga gitarista. Ganda ng tunog nung kanyang yung ginagawa niya sa string. Yung pag-i-strum niya.
You are, Lord, who you are in me. Oh Lord, I cry like so many times before, but my eyes are dry.
Napaka-genius naman nung nag-compose nito. Tsaka nag-areglo. Ang ganda ng kantang to. First time ko pa lang siya narinig pero ang ganda. Nagustuhan ko na kaagad.
Before I leave the floor, oh Lord, I try. But this time, Jesus, how can I be sure I will not lose my fall through?
Pero dati naririnig ko na rin yung bandang Casting Crowns. Minsan kasi nakikinig din ako ng mga mga Hillsong na rock.
Between the altar and the door, like so many times before, but my eyes are dry before I leave the floor.
Anong taon ba sumikat to guys, tong bandang Casting Crowns? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa mga nakakaalam.
Oh Lord, I try. But this time, Jesus, how can I be sure I will not lose my follow through between the
Ang galing din nung taga-edit nila nitong video. Si Daddy Second yata ang nila editor Galing. Napaka-professional yung pagkaka-edit.
altar and the door.
Grabe, napakaswabe nung patapos. O diba guys, talagang malupit talaga ang banda Mission Souls. Kahit anong genre, talagang wala silang inuurungan. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa banda Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan nyo at panoorin nyo kanilang mga cover song. Ayan, abangan natin. Baka gumawa rin sila ng kanilang sariling kanta. Ayan, antabay lang tayo. At muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.